Oh my god, I look like Beyonce. I'm sorry, I can't stop smiling at my hair. Wow, look at it. Okay. Let's start with the treatment. I like to make sure my hair is as strong as it can be before heat. I'm using Olaplex's number 3. Rehydrate it with some water. Sections. Okay, so a section about that big. I use a generous amount of this. Tangle with my fingers, massage it into my scalp, and then I smooth my hair with my Denman. Massage, 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 and get that out of the way. Other side. And real quick. I'm wrapping my hair in a little grocery bag. This is what I saved them all for. And the t-shirt. And now we wait. We are back. More hydrated. Now I'm just going to shampoo and condition. Olaplex shampoo, Aussie deep conditioner as my regular conditioner. I'm gonna leave this in my hair. Yeah. Another bag. And more waiting. Might as well do a face mask. Today is a full self-care day. So we are finally done. I have deep conditioned my hair. I probably left like 3% conditioner in it, and it's still damp, and I'm going to attempt to blow dry it. I'm very scared because this is the first time I'm straightening my hair in a year, and I don't know if I know how to do any of this anymore. Twist this out of the way. Heat protectant. Do like a section like that. Comb it through. I'm gonna try to do this with the Denman RC. Usually when I start, I like to just bring it down and stretch it and then just dry this part before I like run it through. Yeah, I need my paddle brush for this. I don't remember what hand I used to hold it. Like, I don't remember what hand I used to hold. I feel like I'm struggling.
I mean, I just turn it off, but I don't. What are you doing that you're turning it on and off so much?
Oh, when I like put it down and like get through the comb again, I don't like it to just go. But should I just let it go?
Just go like.
I don't know. Okay. I've been
Why
on this.
don't you hold the comb the brush the other way?
Like how? Like that?
Yeah, and then just.
And then blow dry behind.
Yeah.
Blow dry like this way.
Yeah. And boom, that again.
Okay. This is hard. I don't know how to do this anymore. side. This is actually my least favorite part. I'm pretty sure it's everyone's least favorite part. Whew. Okay. I used to blow dry my hair and straighten it like every single day when I was in college, and now I only straighten my hair once a year, so I really just forget every time. I'm gonna take a little of my Silk Infusion and just kind of put it towards the ends of my hair. I'm gonna take a baby bit more heat protectant just in my hands, and I'm gonna rub it on the ends. I try and do only one pass, so because of that, I really want little sections. Okay, on. Okay. Root. A 1-2. And then just slide down. I'm curving a little inwards. What? Yes. Okay, let's keep going. Ooh, light's changing, it's getting dark. Okay. Usually go in after I completed a section and just grab little bits to trim. I don't really like to trim it straight because it's trimmed curly, so I just try and find like the very little bits, or if I can feel little knots and snags, just grabbing those little tiny pieces and trimming just the little ends until the section feels just like smoother. Give a little wave. I mean, who is she? Do I have hair? Do I have inches? Oh my god. This is the rewarding part. Alright, whole other half to do. It's late already, it's getting dark. Had so many different lights in this video. I'm gonna do this side. Only about 10 hours later, I've literally been straightening my hair all day. Yay! I literally have not seen my hair this long since forever. So I tried to stick to just doing one pass on my hair, which I also have never done, but I'm really committed to the health of my curls. So we stuck to that. It is nighttime and I just wanted to show you how I sleep with it. I kind of go straight into putting waves in my hair because I'm a little psycho. If it's pinned straight and I wake up with any sort of like bump or anything, I'm gonna be tempted to straighten it again. So I just put waves in it that way. However it messes up, I don't mind it so much. So just separate it into 2 parts, like half, and I'm basically just gonna do like a loose French braid. Is it a French braid?
I usually do 2 regular braids.
Oh.
I don't like up here.
Oh, I like to put a little wave in there.
Yeah,
Is
I
it,
just like it down
but
here.
it's called, that's called a French braid? Or cornrow?
Cornrow.
Okay, 2 like cornrows, like loose cornrows, because I like a little bit of like this to get a little, who is screaming? In half. I haven't added any product to my hair after I straightened it, so I'm just gonna put a little emollient in it. Like starting here. And then just a loose little hair tie, a loose hair tie at the end. And that's it. I'm gonna do the same thing to this side. Yeah. But I'm like, now that it's longer, how many waves am I gonna get? I don't know, but I guess I'll just see. Doesn't matter. Okay, and I'm gonna put my little silk scarf, sleep in my silk pillowcase, and that's how I sleep at night. I will see you guys in the morning. You're just staring at me. That's not, that makes me uncomfortable. How am I supposed to film like this? Nosy Tiffany Perry in the background. Good morning. Okay, I am taking these little braids out. Slept with them like this. Hopefully I don't have any weird waves that I don't like. Okay, see, they're very loose. Oh my god, I look like Beyonce. Sorry, I can't stop smiling at my hair. Kind of gives like beachy, sort of natural waves, especially on like the first day. Like it's not gonna, or actually that's a lie, I don't know what I'm saying. That's how the ends look. Wow, look at it. Great. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. I really don't know what this video is gonna look like, but I look good, so it don't matter.